give it a museum a go. I've never stopped here before. I want to see what it looks like. We're going to use 2 different cameras, hopefully. We're going to use the big camera once we get to the museum. We're just going to use the GoPro until we get there. Look at the dinosaur. Tasha needs food. Let's hurry up and go. Pretty good. Let me get an Oreo Blizzard.
What size?
What size Oreo Blizzard? Small. Let me get the 4-piece chicken tender basket with gravy and buffalo sauce.
Okay, do you want a drink with that also?
Yeah, Coke.
Gravy and buffalo?
Yeah.
Onion rings, cheese curds, french fries.
What's that?
Onion rings, cheese curds, or french fries?
Onion rings, cheese curds, fries. And then let me get 2 chili cheese dogs.
$27.43.
$27.43?
Yes.
Two quarters. And 1 penny. Please do not touch this exhibit. 91.
It's got a big old piece of Oreo in it.
God. Oh, we can eat it right here, Kayla.
Huh?
We can eat it right here, Kayla.
Region, we've been dealing with a little bit of the remnants of that system into Ontario, producing some light snowfall across Sheboygan, a little bit of rain across the Hillsdale to Shreveport to Waco, even into west central Texas, the Concho Valley, going to be looking at that risk as well. Tornado potential is also not cooler temperatures. We already have wind chill factors that
TV right above us.
20 to minus 30. So as we look at the pattern setup,
This is their 4th chicken tender. That's chicken tender number 4.
It's really not.
All right. Tasha got the trash, so we don't got to worry about that. I figured out how to get this going. Where did she go to? There she is. How did you spill your drink?
Then I went and turned. I told him though.
Are you done?
Oh, look at these earrings.
Maybe. If Tasha's not done. Tasha,
Look at these.
you can get them on the way out. Come on, go pay for our tickets. Let's go.
Y'all want to go through the thing, right?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, was that your fault?
Yeah, I went and told him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I didn't.
That was.
It was an accident.
Oh, it's not a big deal.
She done it. She done it.
Well, I don't have to tell you to take all the pictures you want. I've been standing here watching you.
Yeah.
I don't have to worry about that.
Oh, look at that. Here you go. Man, I mean, you don't have to move, just if you didn't want to be in it. Thanks, sir. Wow. And they give us a pamphlet here. Do it again. Tasha's after the aliens.
It's a jackalope.
A jackalope. See, I told you jackalopes was real. I told you. It is a real, well, I was gonna say real life, but it's not alive. It is a jackalope. Is he recording? Oh, look. Rattlesnake.
Look how big he is. Imagine being alive back then and seeing that damn thing.
Yeah. That's pretty awesome right there. Good Lord.
That's so long.
Mysterious cave dwellers. Is this mastodons? Aliens versus dinosaurs. Wow, that's pretty cool. It almost looks 3D. Tasha's running off and leaving us. What the heck is that thing? Tasha, come here. See if you can get its head in here. Here, you get in its head. Get right there where I was standing at. A little bit more. There you go.
It's eating me.
It is getting time. Aftermath. The return of aliens. Life renewed. Hopefully I'm not moving too fast with this new camera. And then hopefully I've not got it in the way of the GoPro. That way if I am moving too fast, I can...
Holy shit.
Tasha says, holy what? Bleep. I mean, I know I am moving too fast for you guys to read everything that's up here. Look at that.
It's an 1849 RV. Right here.
Yeah, 1849 RV for real. Getting pulled by the, is that ox? No. You might have to slow the video down or pause it to read everything that's going on here. Wow, look at that. Could you imagine back in the day driving something like that around? I mean, that would be That would just be something. Or even that. '17 Ford Model T Speedster. This is a Speedster. Wow. '21 Graham Brothers truck. Tasha had to take a seat. Bless you. Bless you.
I think that's about flipping us off the car.
Oh my God! Look at that.
It's not, but it looks
I thought that was a real person in the back. Stranger Things. There's a Bigfoot. It's the king. Alien. And that is an actual door there. More dinosaur bone. And I apologize. This is my first time ever handling 2 cameras. And we're right back where we started from. Here you go. Hold this for a second. Hope you guys, come here. Hope you guys enjoyed. She's walking off and leaving me. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, smash the like button. Leave us a comment. Let me know what you thought about it. And we'll catch you next time.